That's a loud bike. God, that SC project is so goddamn loud and so goddamn sexy. We're just gonna chill, coast ride, because it's our days off, may as well. Doesn't take much to make these bikes go fast. Haha. That thing sounds mean. So this is Josh, everybody, and Josh used to have the red 899 and he decided he wanted to do a bit of an upgrade, so he ended up picking up a 1299 from one of our other friends who is part of the group. And yeah, he just wanted to sell his bike, and Josh was like, I'll buy it, because that bike is already pretty well modded. As for modification wise on that, that's a full SC system, clear clutch, rear cowl delete, or rear passenger delete, whatever you want to call it. And I think it probably does have a tune. It may have a tune, because it's not running rich. Because usually whenever you do a system and you don't tune it, it runs pretty rich. But yeah, no, it's not running rich. But that's pretty much it, I think. And maybe adjustable pegs. That could be it. Yeah, I think it's just those three. I'll ask him if he's gonna get the Ducati performance indicators, the sequentials for his rear, because that would make it look so sexy. It's a busy street for a Monday. Golly goodness me. I can totally understand why he said he wants to get earplugs for the bike, because yeah, that is definitely a loud drone to have going under here for so long. Look at this, calm waters. I wish I brought my backpack with like some swim stuff, because I would love to be out of there, as well as being on the bike. You know, best of both worlds. Actually, now that I think about it, that kind of does sound like a prop, like a plane, a propeller plane. Because it kind of reminds me of when I was doing my flight training for my recreational license. That's kind of like what the engine sounded, but not as loud. So I think we may stop at one of these cafes soonish, grab a nibbly because I'm hungry. I didn't really have much of a breakfast, and because I've had to take medication for this congestion or chest infection, I definitely need to eat something. Whew. I could see why you need your plugs. Yeah. Even though it sounds sexy and shit like that, but yeah, I could imagine it'd be a bit tough on your ears. But otherwise, I was just looking it over, I'm like, most of the modding has already been done for you. The only thing you can really do to make it pretty, I guess, is... Oh, not really. Oh yeah, dude, I'm surprised you didn't keep your...
Nah, it's on the other bike, because the guy wanted them. So.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it's that and the carbon exhaust.
I mean, you can always go for the sequential Ducati performance indicators, but it just depends. Alrighty, that's something to eat. Now we're just going to keep heading north, have a nice little cruisy moment, and then Josh needs to head off to do some stuff in the afternoon, which is essentially now, or midday, and well, I need to get home and actually get shit sorted so I can go to the gym, because I haven't been in 2 weeks and I feel like absolute dog crap. I was talking to Josh about how he's finding the bike, and he's just like, he's absolutely enamored with it, but he's sort of like in the same position as I am, where we don't exactly have a lot of time on our hands to essentially go for a ride, which kind of sucks, because we have these beautiful bikes, but we just don't have the time for them. The downsides of adulting and shit like that. we got flashed. I didn't even see the damn camera. But apparently we got flashed from the front. So we should be all good. In other words, yeah, I can't afford to lose any more points. I've already got 2 speeding tickets that have arrived today, or last week. Well, I think that will wrap up the ride, essentially, ladies and gents. It was a nice short one, and yeah, Josh is heading home, I'm heading home, and as always, there's always something that happens on our rides, and yeah, this time we got flashed, but hopefully it's yeah, not a two-faced camera. Ooh la la, undercover cop. Like I said, there's always something going on. But yeah, always something interesting happening on our rides, always some mischief. But let's hope we are all in the clear, because yeah, I can't be getting another ticket. I'm just over it. It's just a money-making scheme, essentially. It doesn't do anything for safety or anything like that. It's just pure government stupidity. But anywho's, thank y'all for watching my video, and yeah, thank you for showing me always so much support on my videos. And as usual, if you're new to my channel and getting recommended my videos more frequently, please do me that solidarity and hit that sub and like button, because I am trying to get that YouTube hustle on, essentially. And that's saying my goal was trying to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the year, but I doubt that's gonna happen. But hey, you never know, I could just get recommended on YouTube's front page and just get a bunch of subs, drop in, you know, all that kind of stuff. It's a possibility. I could just hit that eureka moment on the algorithm. Who knows? But anyways, love y'all all to bits. Thank you for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. And remember, ride safe, peace, and always deuces.